In this video, we'll introduce how to design and use Excel templates. Sometimes you may want to populate the table with relevant data from Jodoo while retaining the original formatting. Then, Excel template printing feature can do you a favor, enabling you to efficiently produce tailored and polished printed documents. Let's see the specific tutorial. For example, we collect the product information in Jodoo while we need to fill out this document for printing. Here an Excel document and a Jodoo form have already been prepared. Start with submitting a record here for later preview. Okay, let's configure the Excel template. We click Edit, go to Extension to find Print Templates. For what we have is an Excel file, click Add New Table Template, Excel Template. Now it jumps to the template setting page. You can see the setting steps are displayed here in details. Let's follow it. First, we click Field Code Table to copy the field code to our local file. The field we need is name and price. So we move the cursor to the corresponding position, click Copy, and switch to the local file to paste it accordingly. Then, copy and paste the other field codes in the same way. Save the file and we move back to Jodoo. The second step, upload the Excel file we just saved. Here I choose to select from folders. You can also drag the file here. After uploading the Excel file, you can configure the pagination method for batch printing. Click Batch Print Settings, and you can choose whether to print all data in one Excel file or print each data entry in a separate Excel file. Okay. For additional settings, we can go to Print Template Settings. By setting available scope, you can configure where the template can be used for printing. And through Generated File Name, you can customize the output file's name. After all configurations, we can click the Preview button to check the effect. Wait a moment, and you can see the data we submitted before has been inserted into the Excel file. That's great. Save the settings now. Note that when creating an Excel printing template, both form fields and system fields are available to insert. For more details about supported field types, special instructions, and style settings, see the article Excel template in our Help Center. Okay, that's all about designing and using Excel templates in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.